Octopuses are some of the weirdest, wildest creatures on Earth. But did you know they have 3 hearts and blue blood? Nope, this isn't science fiction, it's real biology. Today, we're diving deep into the alien-like world of the octopus. Get ready for mind-blowing facts that will change how you see these underwater masterminds. First, let's meet the star of the show, the octopus. There are over 300 known species, and they belong to a group of animals called cephalopods, meaning head-foot. That name makes sense when you realize their limbs are attached directly to their head. 8 of them, in fact. They're found in oceans all around the world, from coral reefs to deep-sea trenches. But what makes them truly fascinating is how radically different they are from us. Let's get to the juicy part. Yes, 3 hearts. Here's how it works. 2 of the hearts are called branchial hearts. They pump blood through the gills, where oxygen is absorbed from the water. The 3rd is called the systemic heart. It pumps the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. But here's the kicker. The systemic heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. That's one reason octopuses prefer crawling. They tire out quickly when swimming. Imagine if your heart stopped every time you went for a jog. Octopus blood isn't red like ours. It's blue. Why? Because of a molecule called hemocyanin, which is copper-based, not iron-based like our hemoglobin. Copper works better for oxygen transport in cold, low-oxygen environments, like the deep sea. So for octopuses, blue blood is a perfect evolutionary upgrade. It's like having a custom engine built for deep diving. And that's just the start. Octopuses have more superpowers than most superheroes. Camouflage. They can change skin color and texture instantly using cells called chromatophores. No bones. They can squeeze through impossibly small spaces. If their beak fits, they can fit. Intelligence. They solve puzzles, use tools, and have even escaped aquariums. Ink. Defense. They shoot out ink to blind predators and make a quick getaway. They're basically the ninjas of the ocean. Octopuses are so strange that some scientists have jokingly called them aliens, and honestly, they're not far off. In fact, a real scientific paper once suggested that octopus DNA is so complex it might have come from space. That's probably a stretch, but it shows how unique these creatures really are. Their genetic makeup is wildly different from any other creature on Earth. They're like nature's mystery box. Here's something surprisingly emotional. After mating, female octopuses lay thousands of eggs and then guard them fiercely. She stops eating and devotes all her energy to protecting them. Once they hatch, she dies shortly after. It's a heartbreaking but heroic final act. Some males don't fare much better. They often die shortly after mating. The octopus life cycle is brief, intense, and incredibly selfless. So yes, octopuses have 3 hearts, blue blood, and minds that rival some mammals. They're clever, mysterious, and downright awesome. If you thought octopuses were just squishy sea creatures, now you know they're basically real-life aliens living in our oceans. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more wild wonders from the animal kingdom. See you next time.